Hello, boys and girls. It is time for answers. On this page, we were talking about comparing two different numbers using our symbols, not new. We've seen them before. 26 and 206. Well, that one I hope is pretty easy because there's nothing in the hundreds place. We know that this is the bigger number. So 26 is less than 206. This one looks a little closer. 500s, 4 10s, 6 10s. 6 is bigger than 4. I don't need to look at the next number. It's the first number that's different. 546 is less than 564. 931 versus 842. 900s, 800s, stop. They're not the same. This one is larger. So 931 is greater than 842. This is an interesting one. 735 compared to 700 plus 30 plus 5. If I look at my numbers like a balance, right? Like this is a scale. 735 on this side, I need to figure out how much is on this. So when I do this, that's expanded, 700, 3 10s, 5 1s. Wait a minute. They're the same exact number. Equal. Okay? Even though this is written out differently, it's the same as on this side. 412 and 400 plus 20. So I can either figure out, like I did here, what these numbers are together, or I can just compare. There's 400s, there's 400s. There's one set of 10, there's 2 10s. So this is the larger number. Okay? All right, we did this. Next one. Is Newton correct? And let's explain. 625 is greater than 631. That's our question. I compared the ones. 5 is greater than 1. So 625 is greater than 631. I don't know if that works. Let's take a look. What did we say we need to do? We need to look at the first numbers. Okay? The biggest numbers first. So let's have 625 and 631. So I look here, 600, 600. Okay? I keep going because those are the same. 200, 300. I'm sorry, 2 10s, 3 10s. There's more 10s here. The hundreds are the same. There's more 10s here. So this is what it should look like. And that's what he had written. Was he right? He was not right. So I say, and it says, is Newton correct? No. Okay. Newton must compare hundreds first. Okay? When you compare the hundreds first, then the tens, and then the ones. He did it the wrong way. Okay? Doesn't matter if you had 9 ones, which is way bigger than 1 1. It doesn't make a difference. I want to know how many hundreds there are, then 10s, then 1s. All right. There are 125 kids in Taekwondo club. There are 135 kids in a soccer club. Which club has fewer kids? All right. So Taekwondo, I'm just going to put my numbers here. It's my math book. I get to do whatever I want. And there are 135 kids over here in the soccer club. So we want to know which club has fewer kids. Let's see, 125. So the hundreds are same. 100, 100. Two tens, three tens. This one has fewer kids because it's got fewer tens. So, which club has fewer kids? 125. Taekwondo. All right. Newton reads 200 pages on Monday, 70 on Tuesday, and 9 on Wednesday. Descartes reads 297 pages. Who reads more pages in all? So, our models. I have 200. So I can just do it like this. Let's see. We'll do Monday and Wednesday. Okay. So I have hundreds, tens, ones. All right. So Newton, I'm sorry, not Monday and Wednesday. See, Mr. Garrett makes mistakes too. We are looking at Newton and Descartes. I'm sorry. So Newton and Descartes. All right. So Newton reads 200 pages on Monday. So that's 200s. 70 on Tuesday. So that's 7 tens. And 9 on Wednesday. So that's 9 in the ones column. Descartes reads 297 pages. So that's 200s, 9 tens, and 7 ones. So what numbers do I have for both? I have 279 and 297. 200s are the same, 7 and 9 tens. This one is correct. Which one reads more pages in all? Descartes. D. All right. Newton counts Newton counts train cars. The train has 100 boxcars, 40 tank cars, and 4 locomotives. Descartes counts a train with 142 cars. Who counts more in all? Okay. So the first is Newton, and he counts 100 plus 4 tens plus 4 ones. And Descartes counts 142. Who counts more cars in all? Well, let's see. 100, 100. 4 tens, 4 tens, 4 ones, 2 ones. So this is 144 is greater than 142. So that is Newton. You have 221 coins in your piggy bank. Lucky. Your friend has 219 coins. Who has fewer coins? So I just take this, you and your friend. 221 and your friend is 219. So we look at hundreds, they're the same. We look at tens, there's 2 and there's 1. 2 is greater than 1, so it looks like this. And they want to know who has fewer coins. Fewer is the smaller side, and it's friend. And dig deeper. These are the challenging ones. 652 people go to a play on Friday. 625 go on Saturday. 655 go on Sunday. On which day are there fewer than 650 people at the play. All right, fewer than 650. All right, so I have Friday, 652, right? 652 on Friday. On Saturday, 625. And 655 on Sunday. So Sunday, 655. On which day are there fewer than 650 people? So we look, 650. We need it to be fewer than 650. Let's see which one of those is correct. I have a 6 in the hundreds place and the hundreds place. A 5 here, a 5 here, a 2, and a 0. That means that this is larger than this. It's not that one. It's not Friday. I have 600 in the hundreds place. I have 2 in the tens place and 5 in the tens place on this side. This is correct. Let's do the next one. I have 6 in the hundreds place, 6 in the hundreds place, 5 in the tens place, 5 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place. So this number is larger than 650. Let's see your question. On which day are there fewer? The only one that had fewer was Saturday. All right. If you had any questions, you could write to me, and I hope that clears things up. All right. Have a great day.